According to Article 53 of the UN Charter, a state must seek approval from the UN Security Council before entering another state for peacekeeping missions or operations, regardless of its membership of other treaties such as NATO. Operation Allied Forces had no authorization from the Security Council to take any action in interstate conflict within Serbia. A NATO council met to discuss the best way to proceed with the situation in the Kosovar territory and decided to pursue airstrikes on the state of Serbia if the combat troops were not withdrawn from the area. This was all done without the approval of the UN Security Council. Therefore, the airstrikes on March 23rd by the North Atlantic Treaty Organization, known as Operation Allied Forces, falls in violation of international law for military intervention. Article 53 of the UN Charter does state the UN Security Council authorization is necessary for peacekeeping missions and operations. However, within the article, there is a specific condition that excuses this permission if the state that others are intending to intervene in was an enemy during World War II. Serbia was under the control of the Axis powers during the war, therefore NATO acted in compliance under Article 53 of the UN Charter with its Operation Allied Forces. During World War II, Serbia was technically part of Yugoslavia. The state of Serbia itself was not an enemy of any signatories of the UN Charter because it did not technically exist as an independent state yet. That being said, to be in compliance with Article 53 of the UN Charter, NATO would have needed to seek authorization from the UN Security Council before launching Operation Allied Forces.